So here down the Shell station, there will be 2 lanes at the traffic lights. We want to be in the left lane, so I can see a cyclist there, and I can see the car in front of me. So I'm going to check my mirrors. I'm actually going to signal to the left so I can go past this car. You don't need to signal left, but at that situation I thought it was better for me to signal left just because of the cyclist. And I've got my car positioned to the left, and I'm going ahead. At the second set of traffic lights, there'll be a yellow cone. When I get to that yellow cone, I want to check my mirrors, middle right, signal right, and move across into the right lane when it's safe to do so. Because ahead there will be cars parked up on the left. So it is rather busy here. So I'm just slowing it down. I'm just getting to this yellow cone. I am signaling, checking my mirrors, signaling right. And I'm actually slowing down, coming nice and slowly. I think the white van behind me is actually letting me move to the right. So I'm just slowing down because there's a lot of traffic ahead of me. Yes, he is. He's slowing down. So I'm moving across nice and easy and watching my speed. Making sure that I keep a safe distance from the car in front, at least half a car's length when we are stationary. So I can see the car in front of this red car. He's pressing, I can see his brake lights on, so I'm not giving gas. There's no need to drive fast down here, especially if it's busy.